What is happening, everybody? Welcome back to Tavian's World of Reptiles. I hope you are all doing well and taking care of yourselves. Today it has been a busy day for me in the reptile room today. I came in, as I do every morning since Luna has gone missing. I've come in, I look around in all the places again just in case she's moved somewhere. I can see her now, as well as though I've done something new. So let's check that out. I have actually sacrificed a little bit of my calcium powder, and I have lined the room with the fit and around the carpet so that if she is moving around, and they usually will stay close to the walls, then I'll be able to see her moving. You can kind of see a tester that I did right there. So if she comes across, this will like kind of smear out, and I'll be able to kind of follow the trail and get a general idea of where she is. I don't know why it's taking me so long to do this, just because I've just not been convinced that I'm not gonna find her on the floor. But hey, last ditch effort, everything in, right? Everything in. So I have done that, so that is all on the ground, and so there she is. Well, there that is anyway. But also, something that I have been doing is this. So over here in Evie's area, which needs to be cleaned, there is a storage door here, and now you can see it's pretty flush, and it doesn't. Did not believe that there was any way that she could have got in there, but I was like, why the heck not? I've looked everywhere at this point, so I opened that out, pulled everything out, literally everything out, to find her, and she was not in there either. So, but at least that is now off the checklist, and I can say that I know she is not in there, and that is all flush, and I know she didn't get in there. So there's that. So now I know there's a lot of people, there are some of you out there anyway, who do not believe that she is capable of getting up into that space that's at the top of the house up here. I know some of you don't think that that's possible to happen. Ashley's one of those people, but I mean, I have literally looked everywhere. I've been looking everywhere for days down here that she could get to. I've cleared out all the clutter. At this point, though, something else I am going to do. I am going to take down Artemis's enclosure here, because I just kind of want to open up the space. And I figure if I open up the space a little bit, then I can be able to just get a better view of everything. And since she's not really using it anyway, she's a free-roaming iguana, I'm just going to rip it down, put it away, store it off somewhere in case she needs it later. But I'm taking it down so that I can open up this space, and then just kind of moving the cat trees back to where they were, so that the space is just kind of more open, and I can see more what is happening around on the floors and everywhere, and it just looks less cluttered, so I can just see more if Luna is to be found somewhere on the ground, actually. But I do, however, really do believe that she still is up there somewhere, just because I am the one that's here looking all day, every day. Not all day, but every morning, every evening, looking in the same spots on the floor, in the same areas, in different areas, in all the areas, because there's not very many areas, and not finding her, so I really don't think she's down here. But next step is to get some live rodents and put them up there. My concern with that, however, is I'm concerned that what if she's up there and in a space, has put herself in a space where she's gotten too cold to really move as much, and is not really able to thermoregulate. Can that happen? Like, it hasn't been freezing temps, so I'm not worried about freezing temps. But it's, at night it hits below 40, or at least close to 40, or around that. It's below 60, and that's cold for a snake. So would they get into a position where they are too cold to actually move somewhere warmer, even if there is somewhere, I don't know. I like to think that they could be like, okay, well, I am really, really cold. I'm just going to inch my way over to that heat source I see. I'm hoping, but that would mean that they would be over here. But now we've got neighbors across the way, and so over there is going to start getting heated, but there'll be like a little gap between their garage and mine, because I don't think they're heating anything over there. So maybe she'll still stay over here and not want to venture. I'm guessing. I don't know. If she's up there, I'm putting up some live rodents. I'm going to have to go to the store and get some of those, put them in something, and put them up there, and hope that something happens, that she is drawn to them, or something, if she is near the heat, that she can be drawn to them. So we'll see what happens with that. So, enough about that, though. There's not much more I can do except for everything that I've done, continuing to search, putting out the trail markers, seeing if she just shows up. So, let us go and start talking a little bit about Artemis though, because last time I was talking to you guys in the last video uploaded, Artemis was in some space and was not trying to have it. I was very, very, very concerned. And I am still a little bit concerned. However, check it out. She's calmed down. She is not angry. She is not aggro. She's not huffing anymore. But she does still have some swelling happening along her mouth. So I am still going to plan to take her to the to a vet so that they can check that out. But her mood is better, and she is no longer huffy. She's no longer striky. She's calmed down to her demeanor, normal, calm demeanor self. So that is a plus. That is a huge plus. But definitely still take her in about that mouth. So I just wanted to keep you guys updated on that, and I will continue to keep you updated on her. So that's all, everybody. I just want to keep you updated on what's happening with Luna as well as Artemis. I'm going to go ahead and wrap up this video. I hope you are all doing well. Take care of yourselves, love your loved ones, love your reptiles, and you all keep spreading those herbs.